In this video, you will learn how to use the Aerosol spray can kit.
We'll demonstrate by showing you how to paint a strip of molding to match your cabinet.
Make sure you are working in a well-ventilated area and are using the proper safety equipment before sanding or using the aerosols.
You can use your aerosol kit to color match molding to your cabinets or to repair blemishes on cabinets. Start off by scuffing up the surface you'll be working with 400 grit sandpaper. Wipe off any excess dust with a clean cloth. The first product you will apply is the shellac. This serves as an adhesion promoter. Shake the can vigorously, turn it upside down, and spray it. This will make sure that the nozzle is clear. Then apply the shellac in smooth, even strokes from a distance of 8 to 12 inches. Allow at least 10 to 15 minutes of drying time before moving on to the next step. Once the surface is no longer sticky to the touch, you can move on to the next step. Drag the sandpaper once again lightly across the surface this time, applying minimal force. Wipe off any dust, and now you can apply your paint. Please note that if you are applying this paint outside, please do it in shade. Do not apply it in direct sunlight. As with all of our aerosol products, be sure to shake the can vigorously before using it. For best results, line up the black mark with the spray nozzle of the can. Then turn the can upside down and give it a few sprays to make sure that the nozzle is clear before applying your paint to your product. If necessary, shield any adjacent areas from overspray and then apply the product from a distance of 8 to 12 inches in smooth sweeping motions. Wait 10 to 15 minutes before applying the next coat. It generally takes 2 coats to achieve a color match, but you can add more coats for additional durability. Once the paint is no longer sticky to the touch, you can apply the next coat. Again, drag the sandpaper very gently across the surface. Wipe off any dust with a clean cloth and then apply the next coat just as you did the first one. Allow time for the paint to dry and you will have a beautiful and durable color match.